What's up guys, Shane Starnes here, and the Galaxy S20 Ultra is one of the most expensive phones on the market. That being said, if you bought this phone recently, you're probably looking for the best possible solution for protecting this phone. One of the most popular cases out right now has to be the Unicorn Beetle Pro by Supcase. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Unicorn Beetle Pro on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Big shout outs to Supcase for sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and get started. So the Unicorn Beetle Pro by Supcase is one of the most popular cases for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. This case is actually the winner of a drop test. It won the highest total feet drop test by CNET, which is pretty impressive. For $30, you get a case made of unbending polycarbonate and shock absorbing TPU. You also get a screen protector that is ultrasonic fingerprint capable. So this is going to work with the S20 Ultra's fingerprint scanner. Not all screen protectors do work with it, so it's nice that it works with this phone without having to have a cutout hole. And then it does come with a free rotating belt clip as well. I do like the fact that it has a bit of fabric inside to kind of protect your screen from the plastic. So this has a bit of a different installation process, and I'm going to show you the proper way to install this case, and then we'll take a look at more of the features of the case itself. I prefer to use the Zeiss lens cleaning wipes when cleaning my phone, and I'll be sure to include a link in the description for those as well. We'll go ahead and give this a good cleaning. All right, so once you've got all the dust off of your screen, we're gonna go ahead and peel off the front plastic, and then we will peel off the inside plastic. All right, you'll notice here you've got another bit of protective film. This actually has a bit of adhesive, so this part will stick to the fingerprint, and that's going to make sure that there are no air bubbles between the screen protector and the fingerprint reader, which will allow the fingerprint scanner on the Galaxy S20 Ultra to actually work. So go ahead and peel this off, and we will insert this into the screen protector. All right, so once that is inserted there, we're going to make sure to press firmly on the fingerprint scanner area to apply that adhesive. So you'll likely find that you do need to reset the fingerprint scanner. You'll go into your display settings and look for the option that says touch sensitivity. Make sure that that is enabled. All right, and then we're going to go back into our settings. We will go to biometrics and security. Go to your fingerprints here, and we're going to go ahead and remove the fingerprints that are already there, and we'll add a new fingerprint. Another thing that's important to note here, and it's an issue that I just ran into, you have to make sure that the screen protector that came with the phone, make sure that you do take it off. This screen protector will not work if the original screen protector is still on the phone. But as you can see here, fingerprint scanner is working. I'm able to register it. We'll go ahead and finish registering the fingerprint scanner here, and then we'll turn off the screen and test it. All right, so we will turn off the screen and test out the fingerprint scanner, and you guys can see it works perfectly with the screen protector on the Unicorn Beetle Pro. So now to install the new screen protector with the phone, we're going to slide this in bottom first, and then just kind of snap in all the edges. This is definitely a pretty bulky case. The phone itself is already pretty thick with a huge camera bump, and you can see that the camera bump is actually pretty inset there, which is not a bad thing because we do get some added protection for the camera itself. If this were to fall on the back, this is not protruding from the case and the camera is protected. You also do have a kickstand here. The case does feature a 3-position kickstand, which is great for when you want to kind of watch TV shows or movies on your lunch break. It also works well in portrait mode. So if you wanted to use this as kind of like a tripod to take videos from the front-facing camera or even the rear-facing camera, you're able to do that with the kickstand. As far as the design is concerned, I think it's pretty sharp. You have an industrial look on the back with rivets here. You've got a little bit of Kevlar up top. You do have these textured edges on the side that just give you that extra bit of grip. One thing that I really love about the Unicorn Beetle Pro is that it does have a rail all the way around the front, which is great for the Galaxy S20 Ultra because, as you know, there are dual curved edges. This is going to protect the curved edges on this phone. That's one thing that I do hear from a lot of people that say that they're not using a case on a phone like the Galaxy S20 Ultra with the dual curved edges. They feel like it's not enough to protect the curved edges, but this raises all the way up to the top of that curved edge, so it is totally protecting the edges of your phone. Button covers here are nice and tactile, and I don't think that they are going to wear out over time. We do have dust protectors, or a dust protector, over the power port there. The speaker is wide open on the bottom, and you do have a nice wide open hole there for the microphone up top. Overall, this is a super sharp case that I know is going to protect your phone from drops and impact, and it is stylish while it doesn't. In this case, with the screen protector, is only going to set you back, once again, about $30. Anyhow, guys, that about wraps it up for this video of the Unicorn Beetle Pro case for the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Once again, thanks to Supcase for sponsoring this video. Thanks, guys, for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.